Okay, good day everyone. Uh, to our new webbies and to Daypayz members, majority of you have been having issues on your wallet funding. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fund your wallet within 4 minutes. Yes, just within 4 minutes or lesser than that. So immediately I click into my dashboard, I click on fund wallet. So under the fund wallet, like I said, I prefer using the ATM footer way because it gives me instant funding as low as 100 naira. So let's assume I want to fund my wallet for 5 or 50,000. Let me use 10,000. I click on proceed. Though I don't have up to the amount in my wallet, so when I get to the last point to tell me not successful. So under this place, yes, I'll click pay with footer wave. Like you can see the charges. Now I'll be asked said how did I want to pay? Did I want to pay with card? Once I click on card, yes, for those of you that have your ATM, so just wait for it. I also click on proceed. So what it's directing me to a page for confirmation. So to my bank website, I make use of GT Bank. So if you see it is redirecting, let us wait for it. I'm actually using a desktop, a laptop rather, to explain, to make this video. So you could use any smartphone. Yes, so I prefer you receiving OTP. Then this OTP, this is a verification code you receive from your bank to finalize the transaction. So once I click on that circle and I click on this box and I click on submit, now what at this point you'll be sent an OTP message on your registered number. You can see this is my phone number, the last digits. So I'll receive the code from this number. I don't know if you had the sound of recent just now. I just received the code, and also the code will be sent to me on my email. Yes, now once I input the code here, once I input the code, let me see, let me input the code. Okay, 1047. Like I said, I don't have up to that on my in my account at this present moment. I'm making this video, so just wait for it. Now if it's successful, at this point it will go. Now because it is not successful, it will take me back to the start when I start inputting my ATM, whatever. I said you could not charge a fund using insufficient funds. So let's assume it was successful. Instantly it will take me to this page back, to take me to the Daypayz page back. That is to tell me at this point here my account is blah 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 successful, or to some people the system will actually log you out and you need to log in back, and instantly you receive your payment on the dashboard. So in our next video we will also In our next video, we'll also make another way of funding your wallets. For those of you that don't have what they call it, the ATM card, you can also make use of USSD code to fund your wallet. Yes, USSD code. Stay tuned. Thank you so much. God bless.